Hi guys, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam, and I am going to go back a little bit. We've been doing some Christmas videos. I'm going to go back to fall. I took an acorn that they had at Dollar Tree, and I took a pencil and kind of drew out a line here, and I painted the top a dark brown, this a little bit of brown and green for the stem, and then at the bottom what I did was I mixed the brown paint with water and painted the bottom, and then took a napkin and took off as much as I could. So this is what it looks like. It's a light color here, and you can see the grain of the wood through it, then the dark here, and then the green and brown at the top. And then I'm going to stencil nuts about fall on here. And what you do is you dip your brush in the paint and then tap it off, and then you're just going to, let's see if I can get this so you can see. And then you're just going to go in an up and down motion and fill the letters in. I'm going to angle this down so you guys can see. Alright. And I'm going to tilt it up. Alright. And do this kind of upside down for you, but you're just going to go in and pounce up and down without putting too much of the paint on your brush. And you can go pretty quickly if you know how much, if you don't put too much paint on your brush. Now I'm going to do this acorn white also, because I'm going to come back with some brown and do the finish the acorn, so it's kind of a light so you're just gonna keep going. And if you don't linger too long on the letters, you won't have paint go under. This is something that you will eventually get the hang of. Now I'm going to come back with the acorn. All right. Now, and this is what it looks like. We've stenciled the letters, and we're going to peel it off. And here you go. It says, nuts about fall. Then some of the letters, they're kind of like some of the letters, the letter A is missing a part here, and the B. So all you do is go back in with some white paint and finish the letters. Here, you're going to go right in here and here and this letter A right here. And then if there's any little places that didn't get enough paint, and there you go. You have this nuts about fall. You can take a let's see if I can find the gold marker or a little bit of gold and brown paint. And go around the acorn just so it can stand out some. Or you could just leave it the way it was. Maker, Miss Keeper, darkness, my God, who you are. There you go. And you could even fill in the acorn . But there you go. Might want to come back in if it's not dark enough. See? Well, one good thing is about paint is anytime you mess up, you can always go back and fix it. It's just a little acorn in the middle. Isn't that cute? You can even go back and put in some polka dots in the gold just to add a little dimension. So cute. Maker. All right. Well, that's how you paint a wood sign and how you can stencil the letters on. But you can also use a cameo silhouette. I have a cameo silhouette, and you can cut the letters out in vinyl and stick those on there as well. I think it's really, really cute, and you can make a huge bow and put it right here on the top, add it to a wreath, and it looks really, really cute. Thank you for watching my stenciling video, and give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching.